Hello friends! Some people are engaged in cutting out details from glass and they need to blunt sharp edges. This is necessary if you are making mirror or manufacturing aquariums for fish. It would seem that this is a simple operation. You need to take thin paper and process sharp edges, as I show you now. But sometimes it happens that sharp edges cut the sandpaper and then cut the palm. To avoid such an unpleasant incident, I usually did this. First, I used sandpaper with a strong base and large sand as an abrasive. Such sandpaper is usually yellow. Secondly, I put on strong gloves from a material similar to rough leather. In my opinion, this is a good way, but in the event that you don't apply strong pressure on the surface being treated, but there is still the possibility of injury if the sharp edge of the glass cuts the sandpaper and glove. To completely avoid injury and improve the quality of the processing of the edges, it's better to use the grater. As you can see, the speed and quality of processing is higher than when hand grinding the edges. If you are engaged in the processing of glass professionally, then you need to buy an electric grinder. Then the processing speed of the edges of the glass this draw many times. Don't forget to protect your eyes and wear a respirator. It is important when working with glass. I didn't manage to polish the edges of the glass at the factory quality level using this sandpaper. I need to find a harder sandpaper that can easily remove the large thickness of the glass, but I managed to round off the edges of the glass to a safe level. This concludes my video. If you liked the video, click on like. It will help to see this video to other people's.